Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add audio files in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fantastic way to make your documents more interactive, whether you're creating educational materials, presentations, or any content that benefits from embedded sound. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you enter your login details to access all the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface where you can manage your PDF files. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've been working with lately, making it easy to find the document you need. From the list, select the file where you want to add the audio, click on it to open it in the editor, and you'll see your PDF ready for modifications. Once your document is open, look towards the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This action switches your PDF into editing mode, unlocking various tools that allow you to modify the content. The edit mode is essential because it gives you access to all the interactive features you need. In the left panel, you'll notice several options for editing. Click on More to reveal additional tools beyond the standard text and image editing features. From the expanded menu, select Sound. This is the specific tool designed for embedding audio files directly into your PDF document. Next, you'll need to draw a rectangle in your PDF editor. This rectangle acts as the clickable area where your audio will be embedded. Simply click and drag your mouse to create the shape wherever you want the audio icon or trigger to appear on the page. The size and placement are entirely up to you depending on your document's design. After drawing the rectangle, a dialog box will appear. Here, click on Browse. This opens your computer's file explorer, allowing you to locate the audio file you want to embed. Navigate through your folders and select the audio file you wish to add. Once you've found it, click Open to confirm your selection. The audio file will now be linked to the rectangle you created. To finalize this step, click OK. This confirms all your settings and embeds the audio into your PDF at the designated spot. Now let's test the audio to ensure it works properly. Click to activate the audio element you just created. This simulates what a viewer would experience when they interact with your PDF. A message will pop up at the top of your screen. This is a security prompt from Adobe to confirm whether you trust this document's multimedia content. In the upper right corner, click Options. You'll be presented with choices such as Trust this document one time only or Trust this document always. Select your preferred option based on how often you'll be working with this file. If it's your own document, trusting it always makes sense. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio file to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, making your document more engaging and interactive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.